just continuing down Onion Creek. It's been a super fun trail, and Lauren's gonna take some time behind the wheel. Oh yeah. We got the good looking hill ladies. Got Lauren and Penny's in there somewhere. Hello! Yeah, just, it's a good time. It's a cool trail. Welcome to camp. Got Chef Lauren making some dang quesadillas.
Do not show this. It is really bad.
What not to do. We'll have a tutorial later on how to make these delicious chicken. And we got our little fire pit. Got Spencer eating one of those chicken quesadillas. Walkthrough will be available later on the YouTube channel.
Brayden, eat this. You want to eat this?
Yeah.
Cool. Did you get Coke? Cold.
This is... No, I'll grab them. Yeah, this is Spencer and Britt's Chateau. Chateau Le Henry. So we're staying on... I don't know what the acronym is. It's free land in between public land and arches. So off in the distance, way up yonder, up there, that is arches. So it's happening here. Not exactly secluded, serene, or peaceful, but it was available. And we're tired and hungry, so you want some of this?
The next day.
Yeah, I don't know if you can see very well, but we'll take Shafer, that, oh, where's my hand? There it is. And then right there where it was, go whoosh, left into town. Oh, it's Lauren! That'll be fun.
Oh no.
Be a good time. There's all these stacked rocks by them hipsters.
Dang hipsters.
These dang hipsters. They're stacked rocks. Look at that thing. Dang hipsters. Wow, I zoomed in way too far.
Those dang hipsters.
Coming back.
They're stacking rocks.
Just don't look down.
I don't know if we can really see them.
No, you'll see better when we kind of round that last part.
Canal. What do you think?
Pretty excited.
This is in...
Gary.
We're going down there.